So sometimes I get asked, how do you know when you're starting plants? How do you know whether to start from cuttings or to start from seeds? And an easy answer to that can be that some plants don't make seeds. Certain hybrid plants just don't ever go to seed. And those are perfect ones to grow from cuttings. For instance, this is an African blue basil, fantastic plant, beautiful blue flowers. It doesn't make seeds, so we grow this one from cuttings. This is a lantana, Lantana Miss Huff. It is a cultivated variety. It doesn't make seeds, so we grow it from cuttings. This is a porterweed, blue porterweed, doesn't make seeds, so we grow it from cuttings. Now an easy one to do from seeds, this is papaya. These are all little papaya seeds. About a month ago, this was a papaya from the grocery store. I cut it open, planted them all in this tray. These are all little papayas coming up right from seeds. This is a moonflower. This is an annual. You wouldn't want to do it from cuttings, but it's really easy from seeds. So, grown from seed, grown from seed, grown from cuttings.